Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls in. Got two new chargers in here in the house. This is, I talked about these the other day on the site. This is the new slim wall chargers from Nomad. These are 35 watts and 65 watts respectively. And they run for $35 American, $65 American, obviously. It's not a bad price considering the fact that, look how tiny this thing is. I love Nomad's packaging. So, but let's take a look at this guy. It is pretty tiny. Like, that is way easy to carry in any travel case. So that's the 35 watt. It'll give you 35 watts of power. This guy here is 65 watts. Now it'll share up to 45 and 20, depending if what charge gobbles more. But again, same idea. Look how tiny this thing. This makes it. Oops, I hate ripping things. Just flips out. There you go. Plug it in. You got. There's your 45 watt one, and there's your 20 watt one. Right? That's how it goes. I'm sure. Blue port, 45 watt. Yeah. So that's usually your better charger. So yeah, plug it in, charge it up. Just need some cables. That is a perfect travel companion right there. That takes up no space. Okay, I have a bit of a write-up on my site. If you have any questions, shoot away. Thanks.